Hello friends and very welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet and if you are a new user on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel because I'm going to introduce a lot of free cryptocurrency concept projects and also through websites from where you would be able to get benefited. So friends, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and especially if you are Pi users, because I'm going to give you whole information and updates and also my 100% support regarding Pi network. Now friends, you can see on my screen international contest art pi 3. So what is the meaning of this art pi 3 first? Now friends, I'm going to introduce two good news. So if you want to know that what kind of good news you are going to get and also how you can get benefited, so friends, please watch my full video till the end so you can understand that what is this concept contest. So friends, first I would like to tell you that we are waiting for phase 3 from 2019, and as we already a Pi user, so we are really want to come into phase 3. So here art pi 3 consider as a phase 3, because what I know friends, in 2019 when this Pi project began, on that time they started, they released art pi phase 1, means in phase 1 they started and lot of people participated in on that concept, or you can say on that contest. So a lot of people created a art pi work. After that in 2020, in March 2020, or you can say before March 2020, they also released artwork phase 2. Artwork means on that time it was mentioned international contest art pi 2. Pi 2 means they started or they released this contest just before the Pi was going to enter into phase 2. And now friends, as I told you that lot of people and so many people, they are excited and they are really desperately waiting for phase 3. Even I am waiting for phase 3. So friends, they released this international contest yesterday, and now people should understand, now this international contest released means we are going to enter in phase 3 soon, very soon friends. And after that we all will be able to transfer and launching process, and also Pi currency launch, wallet launch, KYC passed. So lot of things going to happen. So friends, this is very good news, because if they released this contest, it means they are going to soon enter in phase 3. So this is very great and big news. We just have to analyze, we just have to understand this thing, because they did it officially, but this is the thing that you can just relate with that thing, and after that you can understand. So this is good news. After that friends, second news, as I told you, this international contest. So now first watch this video, and then after that I will explain you how you will be able to get benefited. So friends, please have a look on this video first, and then I will explain. So friends, you've seen this video, and now I will explain you step by step. So first, to participate, send your Pi artwork at artpi3@protonmail.com. So friends, if you want to participate and if you want to send your Pi related artwork, you should send to this email ID, which is artpy3 at the protonmail.com. You can write down, and after that, finishing your pie artwork, you can just use this email ID to send your artwork on this email ID. Now, what is next? So this is the first thing. You should write down this protonmail.com ID so you can send it. And now let's talk about different thing. So you can see wait friends, so here before 15th Feb 2021 means last date you can say it's 14th Feb. You have to submit your artwork, you have to send your artwork before 15th February 2021 friends. So this is the important part, you should aware about this. That's why I'm going to explain you these things step by step. So if you want to participate, you can go accordingly, and you have to, or you should you can do it perfectly. So friends, so this is the thing you should keep in your mind. You have to send it before 15th Feb 2021. Now what's next? Let's see. So you can see here is the cash prize financed by Celade Transfer Pilot. So friends, this Transfer Pilot, they are the members, or you can say that this is from related to the Pi Code team, and they are able to send Pi coins to anyone's account. So what is the cash prize? So first, if you will be the first winner, you will get 100 pi, second winner will get 80 pi, third winner will get 60 pi, and fourth winner will get 40 pi, and fifth winner will get 20 pi. Now let's see next. So friends, you can see here what is mentioned. So calendar art Pi 3 contest February 27 artworks presentation selected. So on 27th of Feb your given presentation will be selected. So friends, this thing also you should keep in mind. So you can wait for it after submitting your artwork, and then after that you can just wait for this date to know that is your artwork gets selected or not. Now what next? Let's see. So on March 6, 2021, 5 winners presentation will be finalized. So your presentation, if you will get selected, you can see that if you are winner or not on March 6th, which is final date and which is final presentation for your artwork. Now let's see what is next. So now friends, you can see here which is written here, which is very important. So just see these rules and also you can read. Your artwork must be in relation with Pi Network. Means whatever artwork you do, it should be related with Pi Network. Second rule, you can say all artworks accepted. Means you can create a film, a short film, also you can create an animated film, and also you can do a painting, or you can do your any digital kind of artwork which you can send on this given event ID. Now what is third? So indicate your Pi name. Means you should mention your Pi name and also your country with your artwork. Fourth rule, use English language if you write on your artwork. And after that, by participating in this competition, you accept that the entire Pi Network community can freely use your work. Means your artwork will not be copyrighted. You can everyone will be able to use this freely, your artwork. So please don't think that you can use your content only for your you can say benefit or anything. You can just simply create your artwork that people can use your artwork freely without any restriction or any kind of rules. So this thing you should keep in your mind, friends, before you start your Pi artwork. So I hope friends you like this video and you got something related, and I believe that I am the first one, my channel is the first one. So friends, if you like this information and if you really felt that you got something good, some good news, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And also friends, what I want to tell you friends, that so many times in my videos I told you, please, if you are doing Pi network, please don't forget to activate your Pi after 24 hours, which is very important, because if you won't, then you won't be able to get, or you won't be able to make enough coins. So if you are using a Pi application, please activate your Pi straight after 24 hours so you can have enough coins. Another thing, if you haven't installed this Pi network application, which you can mine, or where you can mine cryptocurrency Pi coins, so you can have a look in my description, and you can also install this application and start creating cryptocurrency by given steps. So thank you so much, and thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. See you next time in the next video with lot of and new information. So thank you so much.